Right, so I'm gonna eat these drinks here. They cost $2 and it's E5 for a Sprite, right? So I go E5, $2 PR, right? So that's cool, that's cool. Now, if I put in $2, put in, right, $2, that's CR, and I go E5, alright, cool, opens up, that's cool. But now if I use my credit card, and I go E5, that's $2. Now I put my credit card in, it says waiting, loading, remove card, and I'll put E5, now it says 350 CR, and I'll push X. Now why is it charging more for a credit card than it is for a drink, even though it states that it's only $2? So there. Nowhere at all does it state it costs more for a credit card than anything else. You guys enjoy. So whoever owns these machines or Coca-Cola, please respond. Give a comment down below if you weren't aware and have been caught out by the same machine I have. I brought 2 drinks while in hospital and it cost me. I didn't even know. I was too busy watching the machine after pushing the button than to actually watch the final price go through once I put the credit card in. Cheers, Cola.